K-Series?
All-wheel drive. It's got a K20 Z3. It's got a good turbo kit and a twin disc, 5-speed transmission. Here today to rent it out.
So you're renting this car out?
Hi guys, my name is Edwin, known as Spongy. I have my all-wheel drive K-Series hatch. I'm here today to rent it out.
So you're renting this car out?
Yes, sir.
You can give me a quick rundown on the car. I know it's all-wheel drives, K-Series.
All-wheel drive. It's got a K20 Z3, bone stock. It's just got a good turbo kit and a twin disc. It's got a 5-speed transmission. And I've been everywhere. You know, I've been mudding with it, everything. So I say, you know what, this car is pretty solid. I might as well rent it out to other people that can't afford to build this at the moment or whatever.
And now you brought in how many people to test it out as well?
So far I have 2 guys that are here. There's other like 3 more that are coming. They just pay the tech card, $25, and then $100 to take a pass in this.
So $100 will get you 1 pass in this car. Are they responsible? Let's say it comes in here, no experience, he drives an automatic and he wants to drive it. And what happens if he, I don't know, something goes wrong?
Right now I'm going based on their experience. Like if I know somebody and they know Buddy that knows how to.
Right.
But yeah, I'm not just gonna let anybody that comes from driving an automatic car just get on it. No, not right now. So basically, yeah, like that. If I know you and you know somebody and you can give the word, yo, he drove this car, it don't have to be a fast car. As long as you know how to bang gears, you should be good. I know the car can break at any moment, but if it's obvious, like, you know, you over revved it or something, you broke it yourself, we will have cameras on board and all around the car. You know, that way we know what happened. If a ball joint came off or something, and God forbid you crash, I'm responsible for the car. You'll be signing waivers, you know, and the car has all the safety equipment, so it should be good.
What's up, man?
My name is Tavian. I'm gonna be the first driver of this K-Series on Boost all-wheel drive. To be honest, I'm excited. I've never drove an all-wheel drive Honda. I have driven some other Hondas like all motor K-Series, B-Series on Boost, on the street and stuff like that. But now we're at the track and I'm getting this nice opportunity from Spongy to be able to drive the car for $100, get a clean pass in, and yeah, I'm excited.
Never driven an all-wheel drive car. Let's say an Evo, STI, anything?
No all-wheel drive. Yeah, I did not sleep when he told me about it. I was like, yep, sign me up, bro. I'm on it.
Does have a parachute ready, right?
It does. It's not on it right now.
Like time travel. At the first gear, you're like out, like just it felt like literally like in the movies where you see like all the red. It was just like that. Yeah, man, didn't miss no gears, and that was my first time driving in like over 2 years. I haven't been in no fast shit. You could actually this guy.
What did you expect?
I knew it was gonna be fast, but first gear is more like it gets you. Like first gear, bro. Literally, I was and my head like snapped back. I had to like read. It was crazy.
Chris, the tuner, he's making sure everything's good throughout each pass. So Spongy did the first hit, and the second hit, he checked the data log again with the customer, and then now.
How did Tavian shift it?
He shifted pretty good.
Yeah.
To be honest, and the car only made around 13 pounds. Right here, 8,000 RPMs, 12.9 pounds, 13
pounds of boost. Wow,
yeah, pounds of boost
with that.
That's not bad, man.
What's going on, man? So what's your name? Jesus. So you're up next.
Yes, sir. First time in an all-wheel drive case.
Oh my God, I haven't even. A lot of people haven't driven all-wheel drive Ks.
I can tell.
How does it feel so far since you've been moving it around?
The clutch feels tricky, but I'm sure I'll get the hopefully.
Good luck, man.
Thank you, bro.
You're gonna drive an all-wheel drive turbo K car. Hold on real quick, gonna get her bundled up. She's ready to go, that's what it is. All right, the track's waiting for us. We're in the last car, and she's gonna get the last pass.
Two-step right now. Well, hang on.
That's fifth.
Oh, that's fifth.
How did it feel?
It felt really good.
What do you think for $100? Worth it?
Hell yeah, it's worth it. I definitely think so. Definitely worth it.
Do you need help getting out?